Hi, Bill Knighton with Right Angle. Today we were recently asked on how to assemble our Charlie chair. So we're going to put one together and videotape the whole thing and show you the easiest way to assemble a right angle Charlie chair. Okay, we have everything out of the package now. The first thing you're going to want to do is line the screws up to see which length you need to be using. And when you're putting the arms on the seat pan, it's going to be the longest screw. Here it shows as a number 8 and you're using a washer. Now I kind of like to put the arm in the seat pad so it kind of hangs off the edge of, say for instance, a table or a stand or something to make it a little easier to put this together. And again, I just get them started with just a couple of turns. Oops. Okay, we've got the arm started. Now comes the back. And this is where some people seem to have some difficulty putting this together. This is going to be the mid-size screw. Number 10. And number 10 does not get any washers. Again, the same thing with these. You just want to get them started. All right, I have them all started. So now I will tighten them all up. Now this does take a while when you have just this little Allen wrench. What works out nice is to use an Allen wrench tip on a power drill. If you have to assemble a lot of the chairs, it helps to use a power driver. So to speed things along, I'm going to use my power driver here with a tip. And just to make sure you have them tight, go through with your Allen wrench one more time. Just about got it. It's just real important you have these screws tight. All right, looks good. Just check one more down here. Okay, that's done. I'm going to turn the chair back over. Now we can tighten all these up. All right, yep, they're good and tight. Seat mech is next. Here we use the washers. Again, I don't tighten anything until I get all the screws in, just to make sure everything all lines up. Gas cylinder. Casters. And my last caster that I dropped. And that's how you assemble a Charlie chair. It really isn't that tough. The hardest part is always kind of the screws in the back, and the best technique is to always make sure the screws are loose when you put the arms on, so you have some room to move it. I just get the one screw started, do the other side just barely getting it started, the bottom two, and then you can tighten it up. Something like this really helps. If not, it just takes a little time with the Allen wrench, but other than that, it goes together pretty easy. So again, that's assembling the Charlie chair by RightAngle. If you have any questions, please contact us. If you liked what we've done here today, please click the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.